everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Unoloz is only back with another one. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. Please do like, comment and subscribe, and if you are a returning subscriber, you already know what time it is. I come back, guys. I feel like I've been off YouTube for like a while now, but really happy Valentines to all the loved ones. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Sending kisses. Yes, a lot has been happening. When I'm gonna get a proper life update, but that's definitely not gonna be part of this vlog. My skin is looking so good. My hairline is sort of receding, and it's just one of those things. Yeah, it's just one of those things. Anyway, I just came to update you guys. So today is a Valentine's Day morning. Partner was like, let's go hiking. And because a Valentine is for both parties in the relationship, we are then gonna do what he likes to do, which is go hiking. And it's been a while ever since we actually haven't hiked, just to reconnect with nature. And then so wonder what he has planned for what I like to do, because you guys know me, I'm a fine dining girl, so I bring a girl is on my plans. But yeah, let's go hiking. Don't forget to subscribe. Guys, why am I climbing up a mountain? Ugh. Let's go. I'm giving you guys a full-on experience. I thought I could. Hi guys. This thing of hiking a mountain is not cute. Like, I'm actually sweating. I'm gonna get you 20Ks book. And all over again. But yeah, we're going to the top of which mountain? Oh, top of that rock over there. I'm gonna give it up. And already saying booga pants. We did it, Joe. I feel like I'm on top of the world. I really do feel like I'm on top of the world. I feel like this is not an easy hike. When you climb a ganji, never know it's safe from shoot. So I got a flower for Valentine's. You just don't know my head. Hey guys. Anyway guys, that's done, thank goodness. And now baby says I deserve a reward because it was a proper mountain hike. I'm terrified of heights, but I did it. You proud of me?
I am.
So that's why I'm getting a reward. And a reward is a strawberry matcha and a cream cheese bun. The way that love can be when you are not with me. I had to live, I had to live, I had to leave, I had to live. Love set you free to fly your pretty wings around. Hey guys, your galza is back. It's a little bit later in the afternoon. I think it's going for 2 o'clock, and I'm going for a Galantines lunch. I'm very excited. I'm super excited. I even have like a cute little gift. Flip, I didn't write a note. But yeah, I'm wearing this same old dress that you guys know. Carrying this white roller bag. And yeah, it will just be that. And of course, my hair's already bust downing. So yeah, we'll talk. Guys, I got a gift, right? For the cute lady I'm going to lunch with. But now I couldn't find a pen because I wanted to. Oh, the gift is all the way at the back. I need to write a letter. Like I need to be like, girl, happy Valentines and happy belated. I don't know how I'm gonna go fetch her. And yeah, I feel kind of cute. Later on, baby has plans. He's just like, baby, please come back a bit early. So that, why would that happen? So he's like, no, baby, please come a bit early. So that we can do a little something. So I says, so when I'm guys, this lace is being so stubborn. It doesn't want to stay down. Without a seatbelt. But it's only luck. And then guys, a seatbelt, it just rolls. And I never have time to sort it out. I need to take my car to the car wash. Like, so many problems. I don't even know where she lives. Like the block. I'll be with you guys shortly. I hope you like it. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome to the second part of the day, or the third part rather. The third part. So I just got back home after my Galantine situation, and right now I'm going to dinner. Take me to dinner, Frank. Going to dinner, of course, with my loved one. And yeah, this is what I'm wearing. I look so cute. Yeah, but that's fine. Anyway, yeah, this is me. And I'm not too sure if I should wear a heel or a sandal. See, this is when I wish you guys real time. Because nobody should say, fucking heel in Jena. But it's whatever. Reservation is for 6. It must suit endlini. Well, imam ngisuke endlini. So yeah. Hope you guys are having an amazing Valentine's, and I had an amazing Galantines with Upili. Oh my goodness, that girl. She fills my cup. But anyway, without rambling too much, let's go for dinner.